You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. Workout 12, welcome! Give your reading coach a high five and say, it's sight word day! All right, we've got 2 new sight words to learn today. Again, very common words that you will see in your reading a lot, so pay close attention. This is the word my, and my is spelled M-Y, my. Anytime that you see M-Y in your book, go ahead and just remember that it spells my. And here is the word you. Can you spell it with me? If you know these letters, some of them we haven't worked on before. Y-O-U. You spells you, and my spells my. So we're going to practice writing those words. Remember, when you write them, remember to say the letters M-Y spells my, and Y-O-U spells you. So go ahead and practice writing those 3 times each, and remember to say the letters as you write them because we'll need these words for our game today. Great, it's time to go for a word hunt now. So you've got some sentences. I want you to scan across the sentence and see if you can find my and you. And sometimes they might even show up more than once in your sentence. So go ahead and just circle those. You don't have to worry about reading any of the other words in the line. Just see if you can let my and you jump off the page at you and give those a circle as you go for a hunt. All right, now it's the really fun part of Sight Word Day. You get to go and play Gravity. Now Gravity, when you click on this workout, will pull up 4 words, and those 4 words are gonna fall as asteroids. So now we've got the, I, my, and you to practice reading quickly so that you can zap them before they hit the bottom. Have so much fun playing Gravity with your reading coach.